Welcome to our channel www.news.co.id.
What's up guys, meet with me again in this CNC channel. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show how we can get Mozilla offline installer for all version of Lineage. Now, you can open this URLs mozilla.org/firefox/all id/firefox/all and then hit enter. You can see you can search Mozilla Firefox that's suitable with your language. For example, I want to using English United States, for example, and you can change uh, or you can select with operating system 64-bit or 32-bit. In here I want to change in or to select because my Windows is 64-bit. I want to download this. Okay, now I want to start download this. You can get offline installer rather than online installer if you want to. After you finish download, you can directly to install the Mozilla. Now you can save on your flash disk or external hard disk, and then just with that internet connection you can install the Mozilla browser. Okay, like this guys. I will click next, and then next. Okay, you can see without internet connection you can also install this because this is offline installer of Mozilla Firefox. Okay, that's all guys, tutorial how to get Mozilla Firefox for offline installers. Thanks for watching and bye bye.